The sun is shining, the flowers are blooming, and well, the bees are buzzing here in San Diego County. This is the second year of the Bee Bio Blitz, studying native bees. I've got the buzz on the importance of them, these pollinators, and ways to protect them.
We are among a lot of bees, so keep that in mind.
And along this trail in Solana Beach was a hive of bustling activity as these bees moved from flower to flower.
About 1,000 acres.
But Jennifer Bright, the CEO and executive director of Nature Collective, points out that that buzz is misleading.
So what you're seeing, those are the non-native bees. Those are agricultural bees for the most part.
And that distinction matters. Agricultural bees, including honeybees, are the most common bee most people encounter. But scientists are debating whether wild, non-native honeybees help or harm local ecosystems.
So they're not supposed to be here, and they might not pollinate specific, like, niche native plants. They kind of go for whatever's easiest.
Their larger size and aggressive behavior towards other insects may also limit native bees' ability to pollinate.
There's a Sonoran bumblebee.
Nature Collective focuses their conservation work not on honeybees, but on bumblebees and other native bee species.
These native bees and the plants have this special relationship. Like I said, the efficiency, they're built to really pollinate and spread these plants. So we need to protect both of them to keep those relationships going.
The conservation and preservation of both has aided in this lush landscape. We are walking along a trail connected to the San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve. This trail on the south side of the reserve is lined with pollinator plants, including California buckwheat and deerweed.
Flowers are like puzzles, is how they're described. So certain bees know how to open those flowers.
This is Rebecca Styling, an entomologist who, along with others in Nature Collective, has documented 5 bumblebee species that are native to San Diego County and have been spotted in this reserve. Those images are shared on the website inaturalist.org, which is a helpful tool for scientists. On this site and spotted in this reserve, you'll find the black-tailed bumblebee, Sonoran bumblebee, California bumblebee, and...
Where did she go? Oh, do you see it?
Is it the one with the little black butt?
Yeah. You spotted it.
this yellow-faced bumblebee we spotted in the distance.
So yeah, like I said, I'm permitted to handle the bees, and we put them in a vial. And then we cool them down in a refrigerator or like an ice chest, which sounds bad, but they're used to cold temperatures and they don't get harmed at all.
Once cooled, a photo is taken to identify them, and then they are released, but the search continues.
Legally, the habitat of the crotchets bumblebee has to be protected. And for Nature Collective, it's important because if we have it here, we can use that to get more grants for more restoration. They do a lot of native plant restoration here.
The Bee Bio Blitz is a monitoring study specifically seeking to find and photograph the crotchets bumblebee, which is endangered. It has been spotted just north of the reserve. Unfortunately, we didn't see one during this study, but the Nature Collective remains hopeful as monitoring surveys continue this summer. This is the first insect monitoring program for the organization. Even though bees are small, their impact on our ecosystem is mighty.
Bees and insects in general convert plant matter to protein for higher levels in the ecosystem.
And these impacts can expand beyond this nearly 1,000-acre habitat. And that's where you come in.
It's important to have corridors that connects this reserve with other large spaces, and that those corridors can be our gardens.
Plant native plants like deerweed around your home. This will create an environment that supports native bees and insects. Rebecca also encourages you to be curious about insects.
Most of them won't hurt you at all. Take a picture, find your favorite one, and then find out what plants they need.
With more native plant gardens, there will be more space to combat habitat loss, which insects are facing right now. Just let that idea buzz around in your head. For News 8, I'm Chief Meteorologist Carlene Chavis.
You can find more of our Earth 8 reports streaming for free on the CBS 8 app, including Earth 8 San Diego Blue. That highlights how our beaches are more than just a tourist attraction. We'll also show you the work being done to keep them healthy. Download the CBS 8 app on your TV or phone and watch for free.